So, what is an endocrinologist? An endocrinologist is a big $100 word, at least in my vocabulary, but it simply means it's a medical doctor that specializes in very specific areas of treatment or practice, namely the study of our body's endocrine system. That area includes our body's hormones as well as our glands that produce those hormones. Endocrinologists diagnose as well as treat various conditions that are related to our hormonal imbalances, such as diabetes, various thyroid disorders, as well as hormonal issues affecting our reproductive system. Endocrinologists also treat adrenal gland disorders and pituitary gland disorders. Some endocrinologists also specialize in bone health and metabolism issues. But today, in this video, I'm going to narrow our chat about endocrinologists to dealing with diabetes management. Now, I am not a doctor or a formally trained or educated diabetes professional, but I will try to make some suggestions to help you, as I have lived and almost died several times from type 2 diabetes. Finding the right help for you is critical to staying alive and staying healthy. Please treat this disease seriously. An endocrinologist may assist people with type 1 diabetes, which is an autoimmune condition where our body's pancreas doesn't produce enough or any insulin. This medical issue, type 1 diabetes, usually affects younger children or even young adults, and usually the treatment involves the prescription of insulin as well as blood sugar monitoring and lifestyle improvements like more regular exercise or dietary improvements. Because of the severity and life-threatening nature of type 1 diabetes, very close monitoring with your endocrinologist is critical. Endocrinologists also specialize in the treatment of type 2 diabetes as well. This course of treatment includes insulin resistance as well as lifestyle changes like diet and regular consistent exercise. Other treatments include the use of oral medications as well as insulin therapies. Endocrinologists also try to work very closely with you as a patient, trying to coordinate your care with other healthcare providers in your life to provide a well-balanced long-term treatment plan for you. So, how do you find an endocrinologist in your area? That is actually fairly straightforward. Starting off by getting a referral from your primary care physician or your PCP. They are often networked and know of great local endocrinologists in your area. Another way of finding an endocrinologist in your area is from your actual insurance provider. Your health insurance provider can provide you with a list of endocrinologists in your insurance area that you can possibly go to. Another good way to find an endocrinologist doctor in your area is to go to online medical directories. Some of these directory websites might include ones named like Health Grades or maybe even ZocDoc. You might also check for an endocrinologist that is affiliated with your local hospital. Check online with hospital websites or call your hospital administrator for a possible referral. Sometimes you might get lucky and ask a family member or a friend for a referral. You never know who might have a great recommendation for an endocrinologist. My next idea might be some medical trade organizations or associations such as the American Association of Clinical Endocrinologists, or AACE. They can provide directories of endocrinologist physicians in your region. My next suggestion is to do an actual online search on Google. Also check endocrinologist experience while you're at it with their patient reviews. But please be careful. If you select a physician that sounds pretty good for you, check with them to make sure they accept your insurance plan to protect yourself against any serious out-of-pocket expenses. Endocrinologists can be great doctors, and they can assist you in your journey to remain healthy. Diabetes can often be a silent killer if ignored or treated casually. You can die from these health issues. Please take care of yourself. Please also like and subscribe. Leave a comment as well. I always read every comment. Please tell me your experience with diabetes and take care.